Hey everyone! So today we're out at Liberty Lake Loop Trail. This is a incredibly beautiful place and it's a super sunny day, so it's pretty awesome. Something about this place that I learned is about the beavers. Apparently there's trees here that are dying, unfortunately, but the beavers are restoring the landscape to its former state as a healthy wetland, and they don't charge us a dime for it. They're just doing their thing, working their nature, like us humans need to do, by walking, by going on hikes, by going into nature. Whether it be just by yourself or with others, but shit, you're never alone. Like, a bee was just in my ear. The bees today have been so silly. But the butterflies here are pretty awesome. They're purple and gorgeous.